Okay, Chief, you have flipped hundreds, if not over 1,000 houses. What would you say are the 5 hottest tips, if you could narrow it down to 5, on flipping a house? That would make it, I want to crush it. I want to guaranteed amazing success.
Well, knock it out of the ballpark.
Because to really think about all the houses you flip.
The first thing I'd say is bread and butter homes. That's different in different areas. So something that's FHA price range, something that's conventional financing price range. Stick to residential, single family homes, condos, townhomes.
Got it.
Nothing weird, not that ranch out in the boonies or some home that's really funky and you dig because it's architecturally. Bread and butter, track home,
Nobody else wants to buy it, but you love it.
Just an ugly plain Jane house. So I guess that's number 2. I would say any rehab has to be 60 days or less. You don't want to add second stories and split lots and none of that stuff. The idea is get in, get out, get paid.
Okay.
The other thing I would probably say, to keep that rehab 60 days and less, that means everything's off the shelf at Home Depot or Lowe's or Ace Hardware. You don't want to special order anything.
Okay,
I want to walk in, walk out with a cheap faucet. I'd say the other thing really is focus on yield versus dollar. Some people look at a deal and they go, oh, it's only going to make me 20 grand. Who cares? Look at the yield. Because the yield is the indicator that tells you if a deal's really good or not.
Okay.
I don't know how many that is. And then systems. Just having the systems in order so you can move quickly, decisively. And that's kind of it. Bread and butter deals, easy in and out deals, everything off the shelf at Home Depot, focus on yield.
Okay.
And rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. Okay. That's the easiest way.
And what you were saying is you want to really keep it so that it has mass appeal. Don't buy things or a house that are just specific to your taste because you want to be able to sell it quick. You don't want to wait for somebody else who's just like you
right.
to want to buy that.
Don't remodel it like, oh my God, I wish I lived here. That's the kiss of death. Stick to your budget. Know your numbers, get in, get out, get paid. Easy breezy.
Great advice. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.